Hey guys, I just went over 5 important tips for new traders going live utilizing DAS Trader Pro. Number one, make sure you have a risk control in place with DAS and your broker in the event of some type of catastrophic event. Number two, familiarize yourself with IB and or DAS app on your phone. Again, you have a power loss or data loss, you have the ability to exit or close all your positions. Number three, this one's important for me as well, and all traders, is to sign into your broker account, whether it's IB or CMEG, because these are connected via API and you want to make sure you're actually out of your position. I've had instances where DAS will execute a trade in DAS. It will show that I'm out of the position. However, I'm still holding something through my broker. There was an issue with the API, so that's one's very important. Number four, set your default before going live, so that way you can distinguish whether you're trading live or in sim, because as a new trader you tend to flip back and forth between the two. And number five, double check your execution scripts, make sure you're familiar with them and they're functioning correctly.